Hello, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to decide which one of these is the equation of a line that goes through the point 0, -9, and has a slope of 2/3. Well, first I want you to know that this is an ordered pair, and we're going to label it x and y, and the slope is 2/3. These are equations of a line. The formula for equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. And these are all set up in that format. The y is representative of the y value. The number in front of the x is representative of the slope. M stands for slope. And then b in this equation is representative of the y-intercept. So I can look at each of these and I can actually see what the slope is. And so I'm going to show you that. The slope for this one is 2/3. The slope for this one is 2/3. The slope for this is -9. And the slope for this is +9. So I know that C and D can't be the answer because I'm looking for the one that has the slope of 2/3. Now these do each have a y-intercept of 2/3, but that's not what we're looking for. So now, as I look at A, if I wanted to determine if that was the equation of the line, I could use these values right here, the x and the y. And instead of writing this letter y, I'm going to write -9, and then I'm going to write equals. And then, of course, the 2/3 remains. And then I'm going to write 0 plus 9. And if this side equals -9, that would mean that was my answer. But actually, 2/3 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 9 is a +9. And -9 does not equal +9. Well, we've already crossed out two answers, and we determined that A isn't the answer, so B would be the answer. But I also want to prove that to you. So we're going to take these values from the top, and we're going to write, instead of y, we're going to write -9, then the equal sign, then the 2/3, 0, minus 9. And then the question is 2/3 times 0 minus 9 a -9? Well, 2/3 times 0 is 0 because anything that you multiply by 0 is 0 because you have 2/3 0 times. So we end up with 0 minus 9, which would just be a -9. And -9 does equal -9. And that's how we know that B is our correct answer choice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.